how to show or hide fingerprint icon on the always on display lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we go down and tap on lock screen and ALD. From here, tap on screen lock and biometrics. Next, we enter in the current PIN and tap on continued. Then we go down and tap on fingerprints. In here, tap on show icon when screen is off and choose always on display. Here, if we go to the lock screen, you can see on the always on display, it will show the fingerprint icon. If you want to hide it, we can do so. So in here, I can choose tap to show or never. So if I select never and we go to the always on display lock screen, you can see it will now hide the fingerprint icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.